Hey geeks, so it seems like every single day we're hearing about AI, and how it's going to completely take over everything. It's going to replace people, and a lot of people are going to be displaced and all of those things. But you also hear the other side where AI is going to bring in revolutionary change. It's going to help a lot of people. It's going to give people more time and so many other things. So there's definitely opinions on each side, but the one thing that I see in general is that AI is gonna win. However, today I want to talk about my opinion on how AI could lose specifically for creators. And if you're listening to this and then you're on YouTube or other internet platforms, you're thinking you're crazy. AI is everywhere. There's AI generated content. It's growing every single day. And that's the reason why I think it's gonna lose, because at a certain point, I kind of feel this whole idea of AI, artificial intelligence, that term artificial is going to be the biggest thing. And why do I say that? Well, just think about your normal everyday life, especially if you're doing something like calling customer support or trying to get online, trying to get help with chat. And a lot of times you're not talking to a human, you're talking to a machine, a bot. And especially if I have to wait for a long time and it's constantly sending me from one support person to another, and the same thing with the bot, and then I can't get a hold of someone, a person, and especially if it's something important like your banking, health, and so forth, that is absolutely frustrating. And then how it relates to a creator is, once we see so much of this AI, this artificialness, you at some point really want to connect with an actual person. And I know it's not as important as something like your health, your finances, and so forth, but it's something very similar. We all want that authentic human connection with a real person. And that's where I kind of feel like AI could lose out on that end, because I kind of feel this whole idea of talking to other people, or at least feeling like you're connecting with other people, is something that's going to be timeless. It's been there ever since humans have been able to communicate with each other. And even before that, it's just something that is instinctual. If you look at the whole world of animals, insects, just living organisms, there's that sense of community. And obviously, us being people, we are the most intelligent beings on the earth so far. And I don't think that's something that's ever going to go away. And as AI, the artificial world, becomes bigger and bigger, I also think the need for human people connection is going to get bigger as well. And that's where we as creators could win, because we could offer that authentic human connection. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.